In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook and Instagram page links to your Wix website. To get started, open Wix, find the website you want to update, and click Edit Site. This will open the Wix website editor, which is where you can customize the layout and add new elements to your page. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the left-hand menu and click Add Elements, which is the plus icon. This section contains all the building blocks you can place on your site. From there, scroll down until you find the social section. Inside that area, look for Social Bar. Wix offers several different social bar styles, so take a moment to choose one that fits the look of your website. For example, you might prefer something colorful and bold or something clean and minimalist. Once you've picked a design, drag and drop it onto the part of the page where you want it to appear. Many people place it in the footer so it shows across the whole site. But you can also position it in the header or another section that makes sense for your layout. Now it's time to connect your actual social media pages. Click on the social bar you just added. A panel will open where you can manage each icon. Click the Facebook or Instagram icon in that panel. And in the link field on the right side, choose web address from the drop-down menu. Next, open a new browser tab, go to your Facebook page and your Instagram profile and copy the full URLs for each one. Then come back to Wix and paste the correct link into the matching field for each icon. You'll also have the option to choose whether those links open in a new window or in the current window. In most cases, opening them in a new window is a good choice because it keeps visitors on your website while still letting them view your social pages. If the social bar includes any default icons you don't need, simply click on those icons and remove them. This helps keep your website clean and focused. After that, click Layout to fine-tune the appearance of the social bar. You can adjust the icon size, spacing, and orientation so it fits naturally with the rest of your design. When everything looks good, click Preview in the top right corner to test the links and make sure they go to the right pages. If everything works correctly, click Publish to make your changes live. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.